Good morning. We decided we would vlog today because we were doing a couple fun little Christmas activities. We are about to leave right now to go take the kids on a Christmas themed train ride. It's gonna have Santa and stuff on it. And then this evening we are going to go to our town's Christmas parade. So we have some fun activities planned for the day. Where are we going? Are we going on a choo-choo train ride? Are you excited? Are you excited, Eden? You look cranky. Are you excited, Sawyer? Did you see the moo cows? How's the cow go? Oh. Hi! Are we gonna ride a choo-choo? Are you excited? What do you see? You see the Christmas lights? Are they pretty? Can you wave?
I didn't get a good shot at
Sawyer, say choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Yeah, you smile. You can look at this. Oh, he's good.
Oh my God. That smile. And look at you. You look like a lumberjack. Whoa, look out, Paul Bunyan. Wow. Are you all excited to see Santa and what you want for Christmas? Yeah? You been thinking about that? Okay. All right. Hello.
What do you have, Eden? Candy cane! What did you think about the train ride?
It goes choo-choo.
It goes choo-choo. Did you like the train ride, Eden?
Yeah.
Did you have fun? Sawyer, did you like the choo-choo train ride? You did? We just got back home from the train ride. The kids had a lot of fun, but it was a little bit too long, I think, for toddlers. It was 90 minutes. So they were getting a little antsy by the end, but Sawyer is going to take a nap now. And then when he wakes up, we're going to go to the little Christmas parade that our town is having.
Wave to Jason. Wave to Jason.
Merry Christmas!
Hey.
Are you waving?
Get away.
What do you think, Sawyer? Do you like it, Elise? Say hi! Say Merry Christmas!
But it must be a town.